Another day, another very windy volcano. So today I'm here at Volcan Poas, and it's a clear day, which is great because we can see the crater, but it's also very windy, so the hair is going everywhere. Poas is the second largest crater in the world and one of the most active and most studied volcanoes in the world as well. And here you can see the crater lake. Poas is a stratovolcano that has erupted 39 times since 1828 and is in a state of nearly continuous activity. The volcano is made of mostly basalt and andesite. So these circles here actually represent damage